Hey, Winchester ammunition. Your LongBeard XR misfired on me this morning. And thankfully, it was on a coyote and not a gobbler of my lifetime. What happened was a coyote came into my decoy setup, and when I pulled the trigger on my brand new Remington 870 SPS Sure Shot turkey shotgun, your shell did this. Smoke started boiling out of the chamber of my shotgun. And it went boop, and the shot spilled out the end of my barrel, and fire went everywhere. I missed the coyote. Thank God I missed a coyote and not a gobbler. But I have sent you a message through your protocol on your website. And I'm leaving this message up on my YouTube channel until you resolve this issue. That is unacceptable. Unacceptable. Now, if Winchester, you contact me and you resolve this issue to my satisfaction, I will post a follow-up video raving your LongBeard XR shells, which I do love, by the way. I have killed several turkeys with them, stone cold dead. I'm relying on these loads in the woods to kill turkeys that I hunt my ass off for. I can't believe this. Makes me want to load my own shells. All right, Winchester, ball's in your court.